Here's something that have been bugging me or bothering me a bit in the last year or two. When I started doing these recordings, either for the courses or for these videos I place on social media. For this, I use StreamYard. It's one of these tools that are available there. It's really good for these things. It can change the layout of the screen and play with a lot of things. Now, let's jump to something else, unified communications or web meetings or whatever. In web meetings, the focus in the past was meeting rooms. Then it switched towards the laptop or the personal user or the personal computer. How to use the camera that we have on the laptop, the microphone of the laptop, external headset, whatever, and then the ambience of the room. Do I do noise suppression in there? Noise cancellation for the things that happen within a house or an office, okay, not a meeting room. And what do I do about the background? Do I replace it? Do I need to think about it in the application? You've seen background replacement starting to make sense when we moved from meeting rooms to personal devices. What I think that we're missing is that once we had the pandemic and the quarantines and work from home, people have started using this a lot more. And they're using it today, not inside meeting rooms, but on personal machines. Even if you are within the same company and within the same building, you might use multiple rooms in order to join a meeting. And that means that we're now looking for better production level because we're doing more meetings that are remote. And as such, what we want to achieve is something that looks better. But it's not only the background. It might be the layout, how we collaborate, how we share things, and how we do things. So here's what I'm thinking. All of the UC vendors and the web meeting platforms need to look closely at what companies like StreamYard, Restream, Riverside, and others are doing. What the platforms for creators are building, and see if there are any features in there that would fit nicely within a unified communication platform. They can call it UC Studio and say that I was the one that invented the name. So think about that, especially if you're a product manager within that domain. And if you need assistance, I'm here to help.